Hi students, a very pleasant and warm greetings to you all. Hope you are doing good. Last session we have seen about the internet and email, right? And there we have seen about the types of internet services. And today we are going to see about internet connection and access methods. Right here we have many ways to connect the internet, right? The access methods are of two types, okay? They are direct and indirect access methods. Okay, these can be either fixed or movable. Okay, this indirect access method is the most common method which is used in some office networks and also in home networks. Okay, the device like a computer will be connected to a network using Ethernet or maybe with Wi-Fi, right? And then the network connects to the internet using the asymmetric digital subscriber line, right? ADSL, and that is nothing but it's a cable or a fiber. Okay, this indirect access method means that is a device is connected to a network using Ethernet or Wi-Fi, and the network will be connected to the internet using ADSL, right? That is asymmetric digital subscriber line. Okay. Next is direct access method. Direct access method, this is the common method which is used while traveling, right? The some devices like your mobile, smartphones and all connects directly to the internet using this 3G or 4G mobile networks, right? Or maybe in some public Wi-Fi also. Here there are two ways to look for the information on the web. If the URL of the website is known, you have to enter in on the address bar, right? If the URL is not known, you have to then search engines will be helping us to get the information, right? A search engine means it is a software system which is designed to search the information on the World Wide Web. That means search engine. That is mean it is a engine which is used to search. Okay, this is a software system and this is designed with it has all the information and whatever you want you can just type it there. If you can just type the question. If you have a doubt, you can just type the question there and you'll get the result there, right? Here this in this www we have all the informations whichever you need, right? Here some of the example of the search engines. What are the search engines we'll be using? We'll be using Google, Yahoo or Bing. In some mobiles and all will be having UC browser, Opera Mini and all, right? Here they have given the popular search engines in your book as Yahoo, Lycos, Alta Vista, Hotbot, Google and Ask Jeeves, right? A browser is used to access the websites and web pages where this search engine issued a search for a particular information, right? If you want to see a web page or if you want to visit a website, you have to go to browser first and then only you can get access to that particular web page or web site, right? So this Internet Explorer, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, these are the most popular web browsers, while this Google and Yahoo are the most popular search engines, right? This Internet Explorer, Chrome, Firefox and Safari in this iOS, that is Apple devices and all, these are the most popular browsers where you can browse and get a website or web page, right? Google and Yahoo are the search engines where you can give a question and you can get a result according to that question or according to that word, right? A browser means that is used to access the internet, whereas in order to open a search engine you need a browser, right? The list of content returned through a search engine to a user is known as search engine result page. That is SERP, right? The next one is internet applications. Here we are going to see for what this internet is used, right? The uses of internet only here we are going to see, right? Internet telephony using VoIP, that is voice over internet protocol. The example for that is Skype. Using this internet, you can do phone calls, right? Maybe video call or audio call in Skype and all. These all comes under internet telephony, right? The next one is job search. Here nowadays, most of the people are searching for job, and this online job searching websites are there, and if some vacancy is there, they'll be updating in the online websites, and through that way also we can search jobs, right? For that we have naukri.com, monster.com, recruitmentindia.com, like this many search engines where you can find many searching websites. These are the websites, right? This monster.com, naukri.com, these websites and all will be providing you the job opportunities, and they'll be updating you. If you have registered in naukri.com, whatever, if you are registered, and when you are registered, you have to give your details, right? When you are giving your details, you will be saying that what job you are preferring and at which location you are preferring for a job. In that particular place and in that particular core, if you are searching for a teaching job in Kanyakumari district, means when you are logging into the Naukri itself, you will be giving that. And if any vacancies available in any schools, it will be giving you the update that this school has a vacancy for this subject. You can apply for this, like that. It will give you the uh, update, right? Likewise, this internet is acting uh, a big role in searching job also, right? And the next one is online shopping. At that one we saw it already. See, than going to a shop and getting a product, this online shopping is easy, and this is good in this situation, right? And the next one is stock market updates. To sell something or to buy something, shares sitting on a computer through internet, and many websites like NDTV, moneypro.com, this and all provides the information regarding the investments, right? Online shopping, I didn't say the example, right? Example for online shopping are, we know so many online shopping websites, right? Amazon, Flipkart, eBay, and so many websites are there, right? These are the examples for online shopping. Stock market investments also, we saw example as ndtvprofit.com, moneypore.com and all, right? The next one is about travel. Travel means if you want to travel to some place, you can just book it through online, right? You can book hotels and flight tickets, and maybe the cab also you can book through this online shopping, online travel websites. What are the online travel websites, Travel Triangle, Make My Trip, Ola Cabs. These are all the travel websites, right? One can use internet to gather the information about various tourist places, and we can use this for booking the holiday tours, and we can use this apps to book hotels in that place. You can book the if there is some tourist place in any country, you can just book. If you want to take the ticket there, when you are going there, you will have to wait for a long time and take the ticket, and it will be waste of time, right? So if you are here itself, you can book through this app center, okay? And for research papers and present online, which helps the researchers doing a literature review and all. For literature review also, this research papers, presenting it online, everything is done through internet in this situation, right? And video conferencing, you can just communicate face to face, not only just a meeting. Maybe your cousin or your friends or your family members are in some other country, you can just see them face to face, and you can talk like as if you are sitting next, and you can talk, right? This enables direct face-to-face communication across networks through this web cameras, right? It has microphones and other communication tools also, right? And next one is e-commerce. E-commerce we saw here, electronic commerce, right? This is a buying and selling of goods and services, or like transmitting the data or the fund, right? These largest e-commerce companies are the shopping websites. All of the shopping websites is Amazon, Flipkart and all, and Snapdeal, Paytm. These are all the e-commerce websites, right? Online payments. We have seen about online e-banking and all. Online payment. The rising boom of online payment in India has given away to many new entrants in this industry. That means like Paytm, many payment apps are there now, right? Phone Pay, Google Pay, so many websites are there, and electronic wallets are also available here, right? And next one is social networking. Social networking means this is the use of internet based social media programs to make the connection with friends or families. Right? What are the social networking sites you know? You'll be using Instagram, Facebook. These are all the social networking sites, right? Next is voicemail. Voicemail means this is the system of sending the messages over phone, right? Here over phone itself you can send message, okay? Next one is chatting. On internet, chatting is talking to other people who are using the internet at the same time. If you're chatting means you're sending a message and someone else is also sending the message. Both have to be online at that time, right? That is chatting. E-banking, chatting, we know WhatsApp is used for chatting, Facebook Messenger is there, Instagram, these are all we'll use for chatting also, right? Next is e-banking. E-banking is nothing but online banking, right? We'll say this as internet banking also, right? Internet banking or online banking or e-banking. These are all have the same meaning, right? This is an electronic payment system that enables the customer of a bank or other financial institutions to conduct a range of financial transactions through the financial institution's website, right? The online banking system will typically connect to or be a part of the core banking system operated by a bank and is in contrast to branch banking, which is a traditional way customers access the banking services, right? This e-banking means here bank will be there, bank will be operating there. You can access your account by sitting in your home. You can access it through online. That is e-banking, right? Next is e-learning. E-learning means these are the courses that are specifically delivered through internet, right? To somewhere other than the classroom, where the professor will be teaching. It is not a course delivered through DVD or CD or a videotape or through a television. E-learning means something you learn through internet. When you are online only you can see. That means it is e-learning, right? In your book they have this one they would have printed last year, right? So here they have mentioned that they are not, they are just except the classroom, other than classroom, if you are learning some course or anything in through a mobile or a laptop or a computer means they are saying it is e-learning. Now in this situation, all our learnings are e-learning, right? Schools cannot be opened right now, and now we are doing the whole educational thing is on online only, right? Online only, teachers or professors in colleges or any institutions, they are uploading their videos or their classes online, and the students or the people who are learning is just being online and watching those classes, and they are getting the knowledge, right? So this e-learning, this is using the electronic technologies to access the educational curriculum outside of the traditional classroom. Here in this situation now, we are not having any other choice other than going for this internet e-class, right? If internet and if you are online only, you will be able to study in this situation. We can't go to the school and we can't go and be in the classroom and get the listen the class, right? So now this e-learning is the only way. It is a program that is delivered completely through online, right? E-learning is interactive also. Here we are uploading the videos in YouTube and you are watching on YouTube. But in some schools and in some institutions, if you see, in our school also for some classes, they may be conducting it through Google Meet or Zoom. In these apps and all, if they are conducting the online class, what will happen? It will be interactive, right? Students will be available there at that time. You will be online at that time, and we teachers also will be there online, and we'll be teaching, and you will be also answering us, or you will be also, you can just interact, we can interact each other, right? Here they have given e-learning is interactive, in that you can also communicate with teachers or professors or other students in the class also, right? There is always a teacher or professor interacting or communicating, grading participation, giving assignments and conducting tests. Everything can be done through online, right? Here, since we had some network issues, we are doing it through YouTube, right? If this done in Google Meet or Zoom or in WhatsApp video call or some like video conferencing, means at that time every student must be available in place with uh, net, right? If any one of the student is not getting the net properly, he or she will be missing that specific class, right? It will be a big issue there, right? Teachers will be teaching once. At that time, if all the students are present and if all of them are getting internet correctly, and if they can hear, if the teacher's voice is audible, if you are having a slow network connection also, this video or the audio won't be clear, right? So these are the issues. So we are preferring this YouTube to deliver the lessons to you, right? Here, e-learning, this is the biggest thing that has changed from the traditional ways during this pandemic, right? Since from so many years it has been followed that school or classroom means, if students and teachers are, if they are in the classroom only, teaching can be done. Now everything has changed, and we can't go to school also, but teaching is done, right? You are learning and you are just listening the classes, you are learning, you are reading your books and you are taking notes. I hope you are studying the portions daily, right? Make sure you learn all the portions on that day itself so that it will be easy for your final exams, right? And the next one is e-governance. E-governance means electronic governance. This is the application of information and communication technology, that is ICT, information and communication technology, for delivering the government services. Government services means we have so many government services. Before and all, if you see, we have to go and wait in a government office and you have to give an application letter, and they'll ask you to come after 1 week or after 1 day, and again you have to go, you have to fill up a form, you have to say them what is your problem, and they'll process, and it will take so much time, and we have to travel there. It is so much effort is there, right? Here in e-governance means all the government services are also online now, right? If you want to change something in Aadhaar, you can just do it through online, right? If you want to apply for some employment purposes or anything online also, you can just do it through online. If you want to pay electricity bill, if you want to pay water bill for water or anything, you can just do it through online, right? So that is e-governance. Okay, let's see what are the benefits of this e-governance. Okay, corruption is reduced. That is a major thing, right? If you are going and meeting a government official, sometimes he or she may ask for some commission for them, or to do the process. The people who are going may give some amount or give some thing to do that particular job soon, right? Or else they'll be doing that job slowly, right? So they will be preferring to give some amount or something. So corruption is done there. But if this is done through online, there is no way to do corrupt, right? Here the reduced corruption. Corruption is reduced, right? High transparency. We can just see what is the status of our application, what is done. Likewise, we can just log into our ID and we can check it, right? High transparency. Increased convenience. We don't have to go there, right? Reduction of overall cost. Expanded reach of government. Here convenience is increased means we can sit at our home itself and we can access the government services, right? We can just apply them online and we can get our services. Our cost is also reduced. We don't have to travel till there, and we don't have to spend our money and energy there, right? Expanded reach of government. Government office will be there, the officials will be there, we have to go and reach there. It will be very difficult, right? Here the reach of government is also expanded, right? We can just log in into the website and reach that particular service, right? So these are the main applications of internet. There are so many applications in internet. You can do everything online now. whatever doubt you have, you can just type it in the search engine and you will be getting the result. If you want to know how to make a project, you can type it there and they'll be having the step by step procedure. If you want to do some craft, you can just type it in the search engine and they'll be giving the answer for that also. They'll be giving the step by step procedure to do that also. If your mobile is not working, if your laptop is not working, or if you want to buy something new, you want any suggestion, you can just ask the search engine. Many experts will be giving advices there, and many online supports are also there. If you are visiting a website, if you want to buy an Apple product, if you are visiting the Apple website also, their chat will be there, or the section will be there to submit our queries. You can just submit our queries, and the officials will be reaching us through online itself, and they'll be clearing our doubts, as if we are going and meeting a shopkeeper and we are asking, how is this product, which is the best product, for this amount can I get this product, which is the best mobile under 15,000, under 10,000, these and all, than going to 5 or 6 shops and asking and just reviewing them. You can just sit in our home and we can just review it through online, and we can get the idea of which is the best one and which is the best place to buy. That one also you can just get it from this, right? So this internet has so many good things, right? These are the applications of internet, right? Internet telephony, job search, online shopping, stock market updates, travel, research, video conferencing, e-commerce, online payments, social networking, voicemail, chatting, e-banking, e-learning, e-governance, right? You just read this, right? You would have known all this, but you have to be clear what are the points given here also, so that it will be easy for you to write for your exam, right? So today we have seen about internet connections and access methods. We have seen direct access method and indirect access methods, and we have seen only about this internet application today, right? The next topic is email. We'll start about this electronic mail, as a we'll see about this electronic mail fully in the next session as a whole, right? Thank you for your valuable time. Stay home, stay safe, take care, bye.